Hi everyone! Welcome back muli po dito sa ating YouTube channel. This is Jezreel TV at sa video po natin ngayon, mag-share po ulit ako sa inyo ng isang mobile mining application na pwede po ninyong install sa pamagitan lamang po ng Play Store nga at ng iOS. So pwede nyo pong gamitin itong application na to at makapagmina ng cryptocurrency ng libre. So sa ngayon, libre pa lamang po siya guys. At katulad po naman ng una nating cryptocurrency, pwede nyo po itong minahin nga ng libre sa pamagitan po ng ating mobile phone. So hanapin nyo lang po sa Play Store guys si Comet Network. So si Comet Network, meron po siya sa ngayon na 100 downloads or 100,000 downloads rather. So as you can see nga, Comet Network mobile currency. So ang developer po nito is si Comet Network, contains ads kasi nga po para makapag-raise po ng funds si Comet Network. So sa ngayon, itong application na to guys is last updated siya noong September 8, 2024 to fix some known bugs. So what's new? Tap lang natin guys yung what's new about this application. Making your mine currency most useful and valuable. Comet Network is a phone currency. So katulad po ng ibang nauna nating review na cryptocurrency nga guys, si Comet Network is also a phone currency. So sa pamamagitan lamang po ng cellphone natin ay pwede na po tayo makapagmina ng cryptocurrency. So Comet Network is a new future cryptocurrency, has an innovative ideas and aim to simplify user experience in cryptocurrencies economy. Comet Network is a modern mobile mining solution, uses cloud-based mining, therefore it uses minimal battery. So the best part of the concept is that it is entirely free to get started and mine Comet. Just download our app for as long as the supply lasts. So ito nga pong application na to guys, makapagmina po kayo ng cryptocurrency sa kanila sa pamagitan lamang po ng cellphone at ito nga daw po ay libre at totally free. So wala po tayong babayaran dito kahit piso, no cash out. So the Comet application gives users the ability to mine Comet coin for free on a smartphone with just a click. So every 24 hour guys, kailangan nyo lang siyang i-click so kailangan nyo siyang buksan in every 24 hours para po ma-refresh yung ating mining session. So users can now get the cryptocurrency every 24 hours on Android. The only requirement is to check into the app and click to activate the mining process. So ito po yung every 24 hours guys, natatapos yung kanyang mining process or yung kanyang mining session. So in every 24 hours, pwede po natin siyang buksan para ma-refresh nga po or ma-activate ulit yung ating mining process. So there is no need any special hardware. It is completely free for everyone. Our aim is to provide free mining to increase adoption rate of cryptocurrency all over the world. With the Comet Network mining app, users receives mining rewards by contributing to the network. Comet Network application is free to download and use. Users also have the opportunity to be rewarded in growing asset without investing from their own pockets. So this application nga guys is fully free. So magamit po ninyo ito ng libre katulad po ng mga nauna nating review sa iba't ibang mobile mining application. So app information guys, ang version po nito is 0.5.6 at katulad po na banggit ko kanina ay last updated po ito noong September 8, 2024 at ang download na po nito ngayon so far is 100,000 plus downloads. Required OS po nila is Android 5.1 and up, offered by Comet Network. Release po siya or nirelease itong application na to guys noong August 21, 2022. So ilang taon na siya? 22, 23, 24, 25. So sa ngayon 3 years na po itong application na to at na-reach na nga po nila yung 100,000 downloads. Mamaya titingnan natin guys yung application ko So i-share ko sa inyo yung iba pang mga details. So compatibility for your active device. Yan. So tap nyo lang yan guys kung gusto nyo pong makita. So sa ngayon, as you can see nga, uninstall at open kasi nga po ginagamit ko na po itong mining application na to. At buksan po natin yung open para ma-share ko po sa inyo guys yung dashboard nitong application na to. So sa pagka-open nyo po, nandito yung dashboard, Comet Network, nandyan yung bell sa bandang right side, yan yung notification. Sa ngayon nga, meron pa akong 1,456 and ongoing po yan yung aking mining session dito sa application na to. At ang rate ko po ngayon is 1.250 per hour. So sa per hour po, makaka-receive ako dyan ng 1.25 or 1.250 coins yan per hour. So ito yung mining session ko guys is 21 hour, 29 minutes and 36 seconds. So collect rewards. Pag tinap nyo guys itong collect rewards na may times 3, meron po yung ads. So yung ads na yan guys, para ma-support din natin yung developer nito para nakalikom po sila ng pan siguro to maintain yung application na to or sa mga maintenance, di ba? So times 3 yan, makaka-receive kayo ng times 3. So pwede rin po kayo mag-invite ng friends. So share, comment with friends. Ito po yung aking referral code. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-install nitong application na to guys, gamitin nyo po yung aking referral code kasi nga para tumaas din po yung ating mining rate. At the same time, meron po kayong free coin agad na makukuha once na makapag-install at magamit nyo po yung ating referral code. So, share your code to friends and family to grow the Comet Network community and participate in crypto. So, sa ngayon guys, i-share ko na lang muna yan sa ating description box. Tsaka yung link po nito kung paano siya install. So, nandito yung news. Pwede nyo po yung itap. Contract address, reveal imminent, ayan, wallet first view, yan. So, mine at high speed, 50% cut when users reach 400,000. So, sa ngayon guys, is nasa 100,000 plus pa nga po yung ating application. So, nung unang release nito guys is 2.0 comment per hour. Sorry, kapag na-reach po natin yung 400,000, 2.0 comment per hour yan. Tapos, magiging 1.0 na siya kapag naging 1 million, and kapag naging 10 million naman siya is 0.33 comment na lang siya per hour. Then kapag naging 50 million is 0.11 comment per hour na lang, and pag naging 100 million guys, wala nang comment network na mamamine. So ibig sabihin is ilalunch na po siguro nila yan kapag naga-reach na po yung 100 million users. So sa ngayon nga guys is nandito tayo sa 1 million. So ongoing na kasi siya. Kaya ibig sabihin mag-halving din po yan kapag na-reach na po yung mga downloads, yung mga install na kung ilan na po yung may install dyan. So dito naman sa Comet team, sa ngayon meron po akong active, balik tayo guys, meron po akong active ngayon guys na isang invite. Total active ko po is 1. Ang base speed po natin is 1. Active referrals natin is, kasi nga po ang base speed ko po is 1 coin per hour. So ang makukuha ko po sa active referral ko po is 250 centavos. So kaya naging total speed ko po is 1.250 centavos. So invite your friends. Pwede po nating inform yung ating mga invites kapag sila po ay or hindi sila active or inactive. Your team members, pwede natin silang iping. Active miners natin siya. Sa inactive, wala tayong inactive guys. Dito naman po sa wallet. So sa wallet, yung balance ko po is 1,456 Comet into US dollar. And then, nandito rin po sa wallet yung send, receive, stake, and withdraw. So sa ngayon, wala pa tayong transaction kasi nga hindi pa naman siya pwedeng i-transfer, i-send, or mag-receive, hindi pa. So antayin natin yan guys na balance yung application na to. So sa ngayon pwede po ninyo siyang sundan sa Facebook, Instagram, X, or sa Twitter, at saka sa Telegram. So nandito din sa About Us yung white paper, our journey, FAQ, yan. So yung language, news, rate us, and pwede kayo mag-log out. So tingnan natin guys yung white paper nila. Sa white paper, punta lang kayo sa Chrome. Mababasa nyo dyan guys yung kanilang vision, mission, etc. So Comet Network is a modern form of cryptocurrency and an influential system that has an innovative ideas and concepts to provide gamified experience for all users by allowing them to start mining. So nandito yung introduction, basahin nyo na lang yan, sobrang dami yan guys. Baka maubos po yung, or baka maboring kayo guys ng masyado kapag binasa natin isa-isa yan. Pwede nyo po yung puntahan. Andyan yung introduction, free mining app. Andyan yung details, full details, Comet Network vision, payment, and yung roles in Comet Network, miner, yan, referral, core team, roadmap details, phase 1. Sa phase 1 guys, project inception, core team formation, research and development, mobile mining app launch, distribution and trust graph, ecosystem built up, smart contract and token create, 1 million users during the phase, we improve the user experience. So phase 2, 2 million users, crypto game launch, Comet Dex wallet development, staking future. Yung phase 3 naman, 3 million users, KYC. So kapag nag-KYC, ibig sabihin nasa phase 3 na yun guys. Sex Dex listing, Comet marketplace, NFT marketplace phase 4, welcome to Comet Metaverse. So Comet, contact at cometnetwork.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Telegram. About us, andyan yung home guys, history, products, pwede nyo siyang i-reach out. So Yung link guys dito kung paano siya i-install ay ilalagay natin po sa ating description box. Sana po ay nakatulong sa inyo ang aking maikling video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. God bless everyone.